Do you know many people are having trouble with diagnosing issues on their Samsung washer? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Power on machine. Ensure your washing machine is powered on and in the ready state without starting a cycle. Step 2. Install app. Download and install the Samsung Smart Washer app on your smartphone from the App Store. Step 3. Open app. Open the app and go to the Smart Care feature to prepare for diagnosis. Step 4. Scan display. Use your smartphone's camera to scan the machine's display for error codes. Step 5. Follow instructions. Follow the app's instructions to resolve any issues identified during the scan. After completing these steps, you should be able to diagnose and address problems with your washing machine. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Samsung users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.